Are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? Look no further than the ASUS M515 laptop. With its powerful performance and sleek design, this laptop is your perfect companion for work and play. In this video, we'll explore the features and capabilities of the ASUS M515 and show you why it's the ultimate productivity machine. At the heart of the ASUS M515 is the powerful AMD Ryzen 3 3250U processor. Whether you're multitasking, streaming, or editing documents, this laptop delivers smooth and responsive performance, allowing you to breeze through your tasks with ease. With 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space to store all your files and applications, ensuring that you can stay productive wherever you go. Experience the latest in operating system technology with Windows 11 Home. With its intuitive interface and enhanced productivity features, Windows 11 Home is designed to help you work more efficiently and creatively. From the redesigned Start menu to the seamless integration of Microsoft 365, Windows 11 Home provides a seamless computing experience that adapts to your needs. Not only does the ASUS M515 deliver powerful performance, but it also boasts a sleek and stylish design. With its transparent silver finish and slim profile, this laptop is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Whether you're working in the office or on the go, the ASUS M515 is the perfect blend of style and substance. Thank you for watching our review of the ASUS M515 laptop. With its powerful performance, Windows 11 Home, and stylish design, this laptop is the ultimate tool for productivity. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And we'll see you in the next video.